this video, I'll be trying to guide you through the features and setting adjustments on the CA-53 calculator watch from Casio. The watch features 5 basic functions which can be displayed and adjusted on their own corresponding screens with the use of these side-mounted buttons together with the keypad at the front. Essential keys are properly labeled for any other functionality that they have, but the fine print can rather be difficult to read. Similarly, function assignments for the stainless steel pushers on the side are indicated by this line of text on the top panel. Let's start by getting into those basic features. Each press of this button cycles you through the main time and date display, an 8-digit calculator, alarm settings, dual time feature, and stopwatch. The current time and day are shown on the home screen, with the display of the date made available by holding down on this key, which if you could possibly read is also labeled date. From the same screen, you can begin making any adjustments by pressing on the recessed button here. That should get the seconds value blinking to indicate that it is the currently active field. You can then press 0 on the keypad to reset the seconds value. Each press of this button should advance you through the hour, minutes, year, month, and date fields. Numerical adjustments to those fields can be made on the keypad. With either of the hours or minutes fields active, the decimal point on the keypad, alternately labeled PM, will allow you to toggle between AM and PM settings. While in the time adjustment mode, pressing the plus button should toggle the time between 12 and 24-hour formats. We exit time settings with another press of the recessed button. Settings on the dual time screen could be done similarly. Operating the calculator should be very straightforward. Only tip I can share here is that this should be your clear button. At the alarm settings screen, pressing the number 4 on the keypad, also labeled ALM, should activate or deactivate any alarms, while every press of the multiply key, also labeled SIG, should allow you to toggle the hourly chimes on and off. Alarms can be set similarly to the time by starting with the press of the recessed button, advancing through the active fields with this button, keying in values with the keypad, and back to the recessed button to exit. At the stopwatch screen, the plus key, also labeled start or stop, obviously starts and stops the running clock. The 0 key, also labeled reset, again does a reset. With the clock running, a press of the 0 key, also labeled LAP, would register a split time while keeping the main time running in the background. Another press of the button would bring you back to the main clock, which will keep running until you press the stop button. You can then do a reset, again with the 0 key. Hope you found the video useful. Please support the channel by subscribing.